Okay, go ahead.
Hi, I'm Jeff Garrity. I am the Rare Plane Detective. We're based in near Palm Springs, California. I've been doing this way too long. It's been over 30 years. I buy and sell old kits. I travel around the country. We get about a list a day from someone trying to sell their kit collection. I'm here at ModelZona right now in Mesa, Arizona. We do quite a few shows every year. We pick up collections from around the country as well. So, if you're looking to sell a collection, we're always interested in seeing what you have to sell. And if you're looking to buy kits, that's even better because that puts money back in our pockets. So, we hope to hear you. Our website is real simple. It's rareplanedetective.com. And like I said, we're in the process of updating the website. But if you're looking for something specific, be sure to give us a call. I'll even give you that phone number. It is 760-832-6213, and you can talk to either myself, Jeff, or my assistant Liz, and sometimes even Nancy.
Great, thank you very much. We appreciate you coming out to Arizona and joining us at the show.
Thank you.